Welcome back, my dear students. In today's class, we will explore the domain and kingdom concept, understand the definition of taxonomy, classification and systematics, learn about the different species concepts and study the important rules of zoological nomenclature ICZN, including priority, synonymy, homonymy and typification. We will also discuss the Linnaean hierarchy, taxon, phenon and category, and finish with the basics of phonetics and cladistics. So let's begin step by step. Basics of biological classification. Aristotle, who is also known as the father of zoology, classified animals into anima with red blood and anima without red blood. Theophrastus was the father of botany who classified plants in Historia Plantarum. Need for classification. What is the importance of classification? It helps in easy study of living organisms. Identification becomes simple. It shows the interrelationships among different groups. Domain and kingdom concept. Domain concept was proposed by Carl Lewis in 1990 and it was archaea, bacteria and eukarya. Kingdom concept was proposed by Carl Linnaeus in 1735, proposed by Whittaker, and further in 1969 it was modified later. Two kingdom concepts was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus. It was Animalia and Plantae. Three kingdom concept was proposed uh, further. It was the division where the kingdoms were Animalia, Plantae and Protista. Four kingdom concepts include Monada, Protista, Plantae and Animalia. Five kingdom concepts include Monada, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Six kingdoms include Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia or Chromista. Definition: taxonomy, classification and systematics. Taxonomy is equal to identification plus classification plus nomenclature, and systematics is taxonomy plus phylogeny. That means evolutionary relationship. So classification is equal to ordering organisms into groups based on relationships. Levels of taxonomy include alpha taxonomy, beta taxonomy and gamma taxonomy, and if we consider taxonomy in species level it will be micro taxonomy, and if we consider taxonomy of higher taxa it will be macro taxonomy. There are four species concepts. Typological species concepts discuss fixed types and ignore variation. Biological species concept was which was proposed by Ernest Mayr in 1942. It was based on reproductive isolation, and evolutionary species concept was proposed by Simpson in 1961. Its basis was the lineage with historical fate. Phylogenetic concept was the smallest diagnosable unit and it was based on shared ancestry. Zoological nomenclature or ICZN rules. Principle of priority. This is the first valid name is accepted. Synonymy, same species with different names, earliest name retained. Homonymy, same name for different taxa, earlier name retained. Typification, every species must be linked to a type specimen. Binomial nomenclature rules. Genus plus species will be named. It is the nomenclature of using two words. It should be italicized. Genus name should be capitalized in its first letter. Example: Homo sapiens. The genus is Homo. The first letter of the genus should be capital, and remaining other letters of the genus and all the letters of the species will be small letter. Linear hierarchy: domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. It was proposed by Linnaeus in his book Systema Naturae. Taxon versus Phenon versus category. Taxon is the actual group, Homo sapiens. Phenon is the similarity based group or Phenetics. Category is designated the rank, species, genus, etc. Phenetics versus Cladistics versus Phyletic taxonomy. Phenetics is the numerical taxonomy based on overall similarity. Cladistics is the classification by branching sequences and shared derived characters. Phyletic is the evolutionary taxonomy, combines similarity and evolutionary lineage. So in today's lecture we understood how life is classified from domains and kingdoms down to species, and how taxonomy, systematics and nomenclature help maintain order in biology. Remember, taxonomy provides the names, systematic explains the relationship. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such biology lessons. Thank you.